Somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean lies a patch of water that's been whispered about for decades. They call it the Bermuda Triangle. Ships, planes, people, all said to have vanished without a trace inside this stretch of ocean. It starts with Flight 19, 5 Navy bomber planes that took off on a routine training mission in 1945 and never returned. Their last radio messages described broken compasses and a strange, disorienting ocean. Then, silence. Then there's the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy ship that disappeared in 1918 with over 300 people aboard. No wreckage, no distress call, nothing. Over the decades, dozens of similar stories piled up, enough to turn a stretch of ocean into a legend. The legend really took off in 1964 when a magazine writer coined the term Bermuda Triangle, and the story spread like wildfire. A best-selling book in the 1970s cemented it in pop culture. Suddenly, everyone knew the name, and everyone had a theory. So, what's really going on? Let's sketch out the leading theories, starting with the strangest one. Aliens? Yes, really. Some claimed extraterrestrials were behind the disappearances. It made for great TV, but zero real evidence. Others pointed to the lost city of Atlantis, supposedly hidden beneath the waves, messing with ships using ancient energy. Charming story, but pure myth. A more grounded theory involves magnetic anomalies, compasses supposedly spinning out of control in the region. But here's the thing, magnetic variation like that happens in patches all over the globe, not just here. It's not unique to the triangle at all. Another theory, methane gas escaping from the seafloor, supposedly reducing water density enough to sink a ship instantly. It's been tested in labs, and yes, small methane bursts can sink small models. But scientists say a burst that size in open ocean has never actually been recorded there. Then there are rogue waves, massive, unpredictable walls of water that can appear out of nowhere and swallow a ship whole. This region also sits right on the Gulf Stream, a fast, powerful current known for sudden storms and unpredictable weather that can catch sailors off guard. Sudden squalls, waterspouts, and violent storms are common here, more than enough to explain a disappearance without any mystery at all. Here's something often left out. This is one of the busiest shipping and flying routes on Earth. More traffic simply means more chances for accidents. In fact, the insurance giant Lloyd's of London studied the numbers and found the area isn't statistically any more dangerous than other well-traveled waters. The US Coast Guard agrees the number of incidents here roughly matches other similarly busy stretches of ocean around the world. Many of the unexplained disappearances turn out to have simple answers when you dig into the records: bad weather, human error, or outdated equipment. Some stories were also simply exaggerated over time, details added, timelines stretched, until the mystery sounded far bigger than the facts supported. So when you actually investigate case by case, the unsolvable mystery starts to look a lot more solvable. Storms, heavy traffic, human error, ocean currents, put it all together, and the mystery starts to make a lot more sense. But let's be honest, a real mystery makes for a way better story than it was probably just bad weather. And that's exactly why the legend has lasted this long. Not because ships mysteriously vanish, but because a good mystery is hard to resist. So the science says, nothing supernatural here. Just ocean, weather, and busy shipping lanes doing what they always do. So the next time someone brings up the Bermuda Triangle, you'll know the truth. It's less ocean of mystery and more ocean of really bad luck with paperwork. And that's the Bermuda Triangle, proof that even a compass can lose its mind. trying to find a decent Wi-Fi signal out there. Thanks for watching.